Hi, I just thought I'd show my portfolio website, burntcaramel.com, and I'm using a different sort of content system. I'm using Trello, and I've basically set everything up in this Trello board here, burntcaramel.com, and each page is a Trello list. So I've got my homepage, blog, products, about, influencers, and a few others. And basically all that content populates what you see here. So I have this products page, and you can see it's fairly simple, just an icon, title, and some text. And if you go here, you can see the exact same content. Image, which is a attachment in Trello, and I've got this formatting. Working name is ghetto, and so I'm easily able just to add a new card, add a new attachment, write some text here, and I've got a new piece of content on my website. So that's for every bit of content. I've got a blog that runs on that, so each post is its own card in Trello over here. And so Trello is really nice. It's got markdown support. So I've just got some drafts there. You can see hashtag draft, and the ones that are actually published, I take away that draft tag, and if you click here, I've got the markdown support that's built into Trello. So my tool that actually populates this, it's called Locum, supports markdown from that description part of the card. Again, each of these items here is populated by a card. So influencers, that's the title of my page. The path is /influencers, and you can see that here, burntcaramel.com/influencers. And each of these items here, so the only way to get to the good ideas, etc., that populates this link here. And some of them I've got as a hashtag link, but I've moved to a system of using Trello's built-in attachment link system. So you basically go attachment, paste a link there, click attach, and it adds it to this area here. So I've got that for every one of these, so I can reorder them and it'll just update. It won't update immediately, I don't want it to work that way, but I've got a basic way of reloading it live by visiting a special URL. And so I've got down here, I've got some videos, so just from Vimeo. If you scroll down, you see those are added here. I've also got some podcasts. This is using Castro's embedded player. So I'm using the hashtag embed. I got an attachment, just a link to that particular thing. And basically Locum knows when it sees embed, it's going to find the open graph tags or the Twitter tags. And so they've been set up by Castro. And it's going to use that and make this little frame in here. Finally, got an about page, nothing too flash. I've got these links down here, haven't worked out a hashtag system for them. So if you go here, Markdown just supports raw HTML, so I've just stuck some HTML in there. So I'm wanting to avoid HTML where I can, but there I've just been able to escape. And in the same way, this little bit up here, it's consistent on every page. And I've got a special list for that. I use this hashtag above. And it's going to appear above every single page, just some HTML. And that's the actual HTML for that little bit of navigation. So it just links to the home page. I've also got some meta tags. So my CSS is actually just hosted at CodePen. I'm not exactly sure if they sort of want you to hot link, but they certainly have made it easy to. So I need to find out about that, but that's just really convenient. So I just go to CodePen, change my CSS, save, and then that's just automatically updated. So again, it's just inline HTML. And so you can see it's quite a lot going on here. There's also redirects. So if you go /blog and visit that, or if you go to /thoughts, we'll redirect to /blog. If you go /reprise, or go to influencers. So there's just some old links that I had. And so I've also got a previewing tool here. So if you copy the board ID from Trello, and that's a public board, so anything can access it. I've got this little previewer here, locum.icing.space, and you paste in your Trello board's ID, and that actually loads a live preview from this board here, and basically shows the entire website below. Just like that. So I'm working on another site at the moment for the actual Royal Icing.space homepage, and so I'm just playing around with that here, and it's just really nice. I could just go into Trello, make a new board, set up my pages, titles, the paths, and each bit of content on my page is just a individual card. And so this is all available at GitHub, Royal Icing, Locum project. There's an easy way. You might have seen Zeet.co's now. They make it really easy to deploy node projects, even Docker and static websites. And so I've got a little node app here. And so if you sign up to now, you can create a free account and basically just run this command here, stick in your Trello board ID, and you'll get a live website just like this one here. Even supports HTTPS. So it's all available, it's all open source, you can browse through. And I've got a bit of documentation here. And you can see here's how I reload it with a Google Authenticator secret. And yeah, that's basically it. It's a pretty simple system. I think Trello is really strong. It's really flexible. And I'm hoping to improve this format. I'm going to create more products that are related. A lot of open source stuff. And yeah, this might even be useful for just simple websites for clients or for yourself. Yeah, I just would like to hear some feedback. Thank you.